These are the different text styles. In this video, we will learn how to create different text styles. First, open Premiere Pro, then click on New Project, then Create, and then Edit. After that, press Ctrl+N to create a new sequence. Next, press T for the Type tool and start typing your word. Then change the font from the Effect Controls panel. You must know the Effect Controls panel to create text styles. This is stroke. From here, you can add a stroke to your text. From the background option, you can add a background to your text. And from the shadow option, you can add a shadow to your text or any layer as well. To make animation, click on the stopwatch on scale. On the first frame, set it to 70. After 3 frames, set it to 120. And after 3 more frames, set it back to 100. That's how you can create a simple animation. For MrBeast like captions, make sure you have 1 or 2 words written in one layer. Then, drag transform to that layer. After that, go to the Effect Controls panel, set shutter angle to 360, and make sure not to use the composition setting. Add the first scale keyframe at 120, and after 3 frames, move it to 100. Then, move the anchor point to the center so it scales from the center. Adjust the graph so it comes fast and then slows down. The last step is to copy transform from this layer, then select all the other layers and paste it on them. And that's how you can create captions like MrBeast. The font MrBeast uses is Comica Axis.